Welcome to your financial wellness journey. Today, we'll explore 5 powerful habits that can transform your relationship with money, build lasting wealth, and give you true peace of mind. Habit number 1. Track every dollar you spend. Awareness is the first step toward financial control. When you know exactly where your money is going, you can make intentional choices instead of feeling overwhelmed. Apps, spreadsheets, or even a simple notebook can help you stay mindful every day. Habit number 2. Save at least 20% of every paycheck. Building wealth isn't just about earning more, it's about keeping more. Setting aside a consistent portion of your income creates security, builds confidence, and gives you options when life changes unexpectedly. Habit number 3. Learn one new financial tip every week. Financial literacy isn't built overnight, it's a lifelong journey. Podcasts, articles, books, and short videos can turn small lessons into powerful habits that multiply your money over time. Habit number 4. Invest in your future, not just your now. It's easy to focus on today's wants, but true wealth comes from delayed gratification. Start small. Invest in a retirement account, build an emergency fund, or buy assets that appreciate over time. Your future self will be grateful that you started today. Habit number 5. Believe you are worthy of financial freedom. Your mindset shapes your outcomes. When you truly believe you deserve abundance, you naturally take actions that lead to prosperity. Affirm your worth, dream bigger, and act with confidence every single day. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple, powerful ways to grow your wealth and wellness, one habit at a time.